Good morning, Orange Group. Take out your Studying the Stars biography and put your finger on the title, Studying the Stars. Listen and follow as I read the selection. Remember to be thinking about sequencing events and the order of the events in our text. Studying the Stars. Similar to Arthur C. Clarke, Arthur Eddington was fascinated with space. He was an astronomer. He studied the stars and space. As a young boy, Eddington showed that he was good at math. Before he learned to read, he learned the multiplication table. When Eddington was about 10 years old, someone loaned him a 3-inch telescope. This small event changed Eddington's life. He observed the stars with the telescope. Eddington was captivated by space. Eddington grew up and began to examine the stars. He worked in an observatory, or a special building for studying space. Eddington used telescopes and photographs to gather information from space. These tools helped him study how stars move. These tools helped Eddington think about how stars form. He came up with new and creative ideas. For example, Eddington thought that stars get energy from burning gas. Eddington died in 1944. By then, he had many awards and honors. People knew Eddington was a great scientist. Eddington's imagination and his knowledge changed how people thought about the stars and space.